How to fix beauty filter not working on TikTok. Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure that your TikTok is updated. For that, go to Play Store and type in TikTok. If it shows update here, tap on update. If not, you're good to go. Now let's open our settings. Scroll below to apps. Search for TikTok. Go to storage and clear the cache. If it still does not solve the problem, and uninstall and reinstall it. Restart your device. So additionally, you can also go to Play Store and install a VPN application. And you can turn this on while using TikTok so that it can show you all the filters. And this is how you can solve your problem. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.